So we're like a minute away. 60 seconds away, man. You're not shooting my face, are you? I thought you were just recording me talking. So let me say that again, because that was super ugly. Nicholas has attached a porcupine quill to my microphone cord that is sticking me in the stomach every time I move. It's super great. Thanks, Nikki. Great. If somebody's sperm looks like that, there's a serious problem. So they have to dry their wings in the breeze. Yeah, that might be Mark Palmieri Jones. All right, here we go. Bastard. 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 Oh, you bitch. That's perfect. All right, here we go. Inside. Oh, shoot. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to assemble a grande aioli. Now, just a minute.